So in this section, we've learned a lot. We've talked about collections. We now understand what a collection is. And most importantly, we understand that there are mutable and immutable collections, right? So we learn how to invoke methods on lists in this case, or collection, to do things for us. All of this comes with Kotlin, which is really helpful. We learn about sets, which is another type of collection. So sets and maps and lists, okay? We learn how to initialize lists. We also learn how to create empty collections. And the last thing we did was learning how to use filters in a collection, which is really powerful because then you can cipher through a bunch of data to find certain item or items for that matter. So when it comes to collections in Kotlin especially, there's so much you can do. There's an article I found online called Kotlin Collection Functions Cheat Sheet. Right? So this is really helpful. It's really popular, as you can see here. So I would really recommend you actually go and look for this article. In fact, I'll have a link in the resources for you to take a look. If not, you can just go and Google Kotlin Collection Functions Cheat Sheet. The writer really takes the time to explain everything about collections in Kotlin and many things that you can do with collections. So it's very thorough, and I think it will be worth your time. So go through it, and at the bottom of this article, you will have the actual cheat sheet. So let's go down, and you can have, there it is, a cheat sheet, and you can magnify it so you can take a look. So I really encourage you to take a look at this, for if anything, just so you know the possibilities with collections in Kotlin. Okay? Very good. Have fun. I enjoy collections because it is just so much fun, especially when you start creating more advanced programs or applications. It really gets fun. Okay, very good. I'll see you next time.